Toomey, McLaren. Two names you'll hear when it comes to luxury. And in today's video, we are bringing them together for an exclusive collaboration. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you the Toomey McLaren Remix Accessory Kit. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. Echoing aerodynamic automotive designs, it features carbon fiber accents and papaya highlights to give it that signature McLaren touch. I'm telling you, this bag is the ultimate collaboration. It's a soft-sided kit that opens flat, so accessing your accessories is easy. The exterior has a grab handle to make transporting this simple, and a zip opening to the main compartment. Now in the main compartment, you've got a zip pocket here, then another zip pocket here with a clear window so you can see everything you're packing. For all you organization gurus, this is a dream. There's also a card pocket, and the lining is antimicrobial treated. If you have any other questions about the Toomey McLaren Remix Accessory Kit, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We are always happy to help. This thing is the whole kit and caboodle. I'll see you next time.